All right, so this is lesson 5-2, rewriting percents as equations. Um, this problem is not difficult because the math is difficult, but it's a little bit challenging because it's taking 4 math problems and rolling it into one problem. So the word right here that's hole punched on my paper is Natalia. You should have it on yours. Natalia needed to buy 18 onions, so she searched some local business flyers to find the best deals. She found that all of the businesses had onions priced at $1.15 each, but the promotional offers from each store were different. So this is going to be like our base, and then we're going to look down at these 4 stores and see how much the onions cost. So we're going to start with Min Jun's store. Um, buy 8 onions for the price of 3, limit 1 per customer. I'm going to put the work down here. I'm going to put an M for Min Jun just so that I know that that's the work that I'm doing. I want to buy 18 onions, or Natalia wants to buy 18 onions. And looking at my option, I get 8 onions for the price of 3. I can only do that once. So 8 of my onions are going to be at that sale or that discount price. And the other 10 onions I'm buying are going to be at the regular price. So it's 8 for the price of 3. So I'm going to take $1.15, the cost of an onion, times that by 3. That's $3.45. That's what this first group of onions are going to cost. And then the other onions, the other 10 I need, $1.15 times 10, because they're the regular price. They're not on any kind of sale. And that's $11.50. So the sum of these, my sale onions and my regular onions, that would be the price that you would pay for onions at Min Jun's store, $14.45. And so we'll put that in the box. $14.95. And then we're going to move on. This grocery store, a coupon for $2.07 off the entire purchase of onions. When you buy 8 or more onions, we can use this coupon once. We're buying more than 8 onions. We're buying 18. So we should just take a minute right now because we're going to need it for the other problems. I know that. 18 times $1.15 to figure out how much money 18 onions would cost. So when I times them together, I get 2070. I'm going to label down here somewhere in my space again, a K for Kiara's grocery. And I'm going to say, oh, a coupon makes your money go down. So it was 2070, but I'm going to save the $2.07. So I'm just going to subtract the numbers using that coupon. So 2070. I'm going to subtract off my coupon, $2.07. When I do that, okay, that's $18.63. So that's how much I would spend at that grocery store. I'm going to just put it up right here in the box, $18.63. Oops, sorry. Next, Rob's Market has an instant rebate. An instant rebate is the same thing as a coupon, so I'm going to just do that problem the exact same way. I'm going to take my cost of all of the onions and subtract my rebate off. So down here, I'm going to make just an R for Rob, put my price of my onions, $20.70. I'm going to take my instant rebate, my coupon of $5.18, and subtract them off. And when I do that, put them in my calculator, I get $15.52. So if I went to Rob's Market, that's what the onions would cost me. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the box. Okay, so we've done 3 of the 4. The last one's Andrea's store. And this one says 45% off your purchase of onions. So now we're looking at a percent situation. Not difficult. We've done that in prior lessons. Let's just get some space for Andrea. So in order to find how much money I'm going to save, I'm just going to take my price of all of my onions and times it by the percent discount. So that's $20.70 times 45%. So, sorry, my calculator's having a bad day right now. And when I do that, I get 9.315. I remember that money has two decimal places. So I'm going to look here. The 5 is going to round it up to $9.32. This is what you save. They want to know what you would spend. So I need to take this. This is my discount. The $9.32 is like my coupon. I'm going to take my $20.70 and subtract off my savings. When I do that, I get $11.39. So that's how much money I would pay at Andrea's store. I'm going to go ahead and put that up in the box. $11.39. And then the last part, thank goodness it's the easiest question, is where should Natalia purchase onions if she wants the best deal? So I'm going to spy up at the boxes here and just look at which one has the lowest number. Bam, right there. Andrea's store is the store we want. So we'll check that box.